చిన్న మీరు నలుగురు బాయ్స్ అంటే
రండిమా చెప్తే వినపడట్లేదా? ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ గెట్ మై ఫ్రంట్ సైడ్. అందరండి ముందు కూర్చోండి. అందరూ వెనక ఎందుకు కూర్చుంటున్నారు?
పక్కకు వస్తాను వెనక్కి రాదేవా కొంచెం వెనక్కి వస్తుంది వెనక్కి wait sorry wait sorry ready Jen
right. To welcome the fresh faces, the future stars of our event, it's the Grand Freshers Meet. A day full of fun, laughter,
And more special, we Asma and Kaur. So are you all excited?
segment waiting and begin our event with the first segment of our juniors as Team Adventures and RX Neons. A strong and powerful.
How is the Josh, guys? Let's make some cheers and applause. Alright, and all of us seniors, we extend our warmest welcome and invite you all to join us in making this event an unforgettable experience.
Now it's time to set the stage on fire with a mesmerizing classical performance. Presenting to you the beautiful welcome dance performed by our to present a floral sir, Chakka Gopinath sir. Now I request Renushri Vice Chancellor, Professor H. Sudarshana Rao sir. We are truly grateful to have all our dignitaries with us today. Their presence inspires us and adds immense value. Occasion.
साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Hearty pranams and hearty welcome to the today chief guest, Chancellor, JNT University Anantapuram. It's a great alumni of the JNT. Is a student of the college, become a Vice Chancellor of the same university. It is a rare opportunity. And our director, Professor G.V. Subbareddy Garu, JNT OTPRI, faculty members, HOD in charges, Deputy Registrar, Durga Pasar, all supporting staff members, and my dear young and dear students, warm welcome today present evening Freshers Day celebrations. In the program, the first lighting of the lamp by the today chief guest, our director and students, please lighting up. year and family students, and start this event with a prayer dedicated to the ultimate.
काय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुसर्वसदाराध्याय गुरुविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Thank you. 6. Sir has made remarkable contributions to research with more than 215 research publications in reputed national international journals and conferences. Under Sir's guidance, more than 26 research scholars has been awarded and high performance thanked. Beyond academics, Professor Sudarshana Rao sir has served the university in the several key positions including Vice Chancellor in charge of JN2A Kadapa, where he introduced many transformative reforms in administration, research culture and studies. Students modernized several engineering laboratories. Sir's contributions have earned him numerous prestigious awards including the Andhra Pradesh State Government Best Teacher Award in 2007, Outstanding Concrete Engineering Award in 2000 from Rayalaseema Kala Samiti AP, Sardar Patel Lifetime Achievement Award in 2015, Global Teacher Role Model Award in 2016, Innovative Text Professor Award in 2017, Top 100 Engineers in 2015 Award, and recently Sir has been honored with the Indian Society for Technical Education National Award for Best Academic Administration for 2025 at 55th ISTE National Annual Faculty Convention, Puducherry. Not only this, Sir has been honored with numerous prestigious awards. Sir has also the inventor of multiple Indian patents, contributing innovative solutions to the field of concrete technology and sustainable construction. So today, we are truly fortunate to have such an eminent scholar, visionary leader, great administrator and guide.
Thank you so much, Pranati. Introducing our chief guest today, Vice Chancellor Professor H. Sudarshana Rao sir. My dear children, the student can reach to the Vice Chancellor level. Is the first person of the university. That is why take the inspiration and message from the today chief guest, Professor H. Sudarshana Rao sir, and imbibe and goal for the achieving the highest levels. The purpose of education is to evolve in the lowest level to highest level. That is the significance. Sir, with these few words, I will welcome in the our chief guest, Professor H. Sudarshana Rao sir, and to give the message to the
Director of Oil Technological Pharmaceutical Research Institute, Professor Subbareddy Garu, Principal of the College, Chakka Gopinath, Heads of the Departments, Faculty Members, office staff, Deputy Registrar Durga Prasad, and all my dear freshers and seniors. Good evening to all of you. At the outset, I am very happy to be associated with your Freshers' Day today. So we had a very hectic week previous 4-5 days, and this is a very pleasant evening. You are celebrating your Freshers' Day, and I am very happy actually to be associated with you all. So at the outset, let me congratulate all the freshers for joining a prestigious institute. JNTU OTPRI is a very old and renowned research institute which has come into the fold of JNTU Hyderabad right from 1972, and later on when JNTU Anantapur formed in 2008, this institute has become a part of JNTU Anantapur. So such a very old and renowned institute you have joined, so there's a great legacy, and when you complete your degree and when you go out, if you take the name of your alma mater as JNTU OTPRI, that itself is a very big strength for all of you. So whatever aim and whatever objectives with which you define your education and chose, and in short span of time you are going to get new floor space. The girls' hostel also is getting ready, and another new academic block is also getting ready. New classrooms, laboratory space, new director office is also getting ready. I was just discussing with your principal and the director that whatever proposal you send to university for establishing of any laboratory or for providing any equipment or to provide any facility to the students of these pharmacy courses, I promise them that I will readily sanction them and we will initiate installation of those things. So from university side, we are ready to support in all aspects for a curriculum development, for the teaching learning process, and for the skill development. Now it is your responsibility to grab the opportunity in both the hands and improve your skills, your knowledge in the system. As you are all aware that pharmacy education has gained greater importance in today's India, and shortly the central government is also bringing in a legislation wherein the role of pharmacists will be made much more important in all hospitals and medical shops throughout the country. The director was also discussing with me the proposals for improving the sports facility also in the campus. That also we will undertake. So from my side, I just came to wish you all and see you all, the freshers, to welcome you all into JNTU family. And I just want to inform you that we are with you, all the faculty, all the administration, we are with you. So try to grab this opportunity and make wonders in your career. That is the main objective why I came here today. Actually, I am feeling somewhat flu symptoms, but in spite of that, I came here just to wish you all because you are coming into our family. I also informally told the principal and director not to spend much time on speeches and give more time for you for the entertainment programs. So have a wonderful day. Today is your day. Enjoy yourself, and rest of the 4 years try to utilize in a very academic and disciplined manner. I wish you a very wonderful life in JNT OTPRA for the coming 4 years, and wish you all a very good luck, and God bless you all.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving the inspiring speech, invoking the students what to do, what not to do. Because in spite of these the illness, the Vice Chancellor, JNT University Anantapuram, Professor Sudarshan Rao, sir. All the CRs, GRs and program event coordinators, please.
Back side ఉంది. Yeah, okay, ready? Wait. Okay.
Not SAR Geo 110, which is lapsed earlier, but now sir has taken care and he is given for 2 years and soft corner for adult faculty. He is recognized our work and he extend PhD concession fee from 3 years to 4th years. Very thankful, sir, and we work for you, sir.
Please come and give the message.
Presented here. Our respected director sir, vice chancellor sir, principal sir, HOD sir, teaching into this college felt like entering a new world, new faces, new opportunities and new dreams. At first many of us were nervous, but the warmth with which our seniors welcomed us has already made this journey memorable. A freshers party is not just about music and celebrations. It's just about starting a new chapter with confidence, hope and excitement. We are truly grateful to our faculty and seniors for organizing such a wonderful event and making us feel at home. As freshers, we promise to carry forward the culture, discipline and spirit of this institute. Let us all make the coming years filled with learning, growth, friendship, unforgettable memories. Thank you and let's enjoy the evening. Happy Freshers Day to all. And once again, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Sai Chandrika, B.Farm student.
Good evening to all the esteemed respected faculty members, seniors, non-teaching staff, and my fellow students. I am truly honored to stand here today as a freshers and share I feel about the joining the wonderful college. Stepping into this campus for the first time, I felt a sense of pride, excitement, inspiration, discipline, and warm welcome from everyone. First, I would like to express Reddy sir, whose dignitaries, leadership strengthen our college. I also thank our deputy director, sir, motivate students of all with enthusiasm, discipline, and professionalism. Today marks the beginning of new chapter in our lives. We are proud to be a part of this college. Extreme for the journey ahead. Thanking me giving this gold and platinum opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Saitan. Now, with the message by seniors, B. Harikumar Reddy, Secondary Pharmacy.
Great and intelligent evening, studied with illuminaries on the stage, teachers, staff, seniors, and to our fresh juniors of the OTP on behalf of seniors, here to encourage and welcome to our college. We are so excited. We too remember the hard work and sweat that make us to land here in this OTPRI. So we are so excited and be proud of it. Here, while expressing the environs and ambience of OTPRI, I recollect the great poem of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, which is where the mind is without fear and where the head is held high. This is such a niche of not alone more than classes. It's all about new friends, new experience, and discovering what you will become. Don't be afraid to explore, make mistakes, and ask for help. We the seniors have been in shoes and always ready to support you. We collectively move, learn, and have beautiful.
The next message by the K. Sai Vaishnavi, Second Form D.
Good evening everyone, respected teachers, dear juniors and my fellow seniors. First of all, a very warm welcome to our incredible juniors. Nervous, confused and eager to figure out our place. But trust me, with time this campus became our second home. The people became family and today you are becoming a part of this family too. To all juniors, I want to tell you this, enjoy this journey. Don't rush to reach the final line. Take a moment to enjoy the process. Be curious, ask questions, feel fearlessly. Because your friends here will become your strength of your life. We, your seniors, are always here for you, not just for academic help, but anything you need, guidance, support, or even just someone to talk to. This journey is not only about degrees and exams, it's about discovering who you are, what you love, and who you want to become. So juniors, dream big, work hard, and most importantly, enjoy every moment of this beautiful phase in your life. On behalf of all seniors, I wish you all the success, confidence, and happiness in your years ahead. Welcome to the family, and once again, happy Freshers Day. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity. Thank you, sir.
I just want to share a few words with you. As part of the tradition and culture that has been descended from our good old golden seniors to name the new twigs of OTPRA Banyan, this year you are named as RX Neons 25. Here, the concept and intention behind this name is the RX symbol, one of the largest planets, and in Greek Roman mythology, Jupiter or Zeus is the supreme deity of Asterius. Hence, we wish and support to achieve their big dreams and shine brighter. I hope you're going to enjoy this evening. Thank you.
And you are listening your speech, the first year of students and second year.
So thank you. So in absence of Honorable the Vice Chancellor, so on the dais, with the great the respect, with the listening of my words, he came down to the campus and addressed you. So in spite of that, he is not feeling well. Actually, sir is not even attended for office today, but he straight away came from his quarters and came down to our campus, and just wish you all for your prosperous and bright future. So on behalf of JNTA OTPRI, so I must very much thankful to Honorable Vice Chancellor sir for accepting of our request. And second thing is, so I am so happy with the listening of my words of all the juniors and the seniors to perform this Freshers' Day combinedly. And I am so happy, and it is a very good sign for the institute. We are all together in the JNTU OTPRI family, not like a discipline specific. So JNTU OTPRI so JNTUA is the umbrella for all of us. So not for the branch engineering, pharmacy, management and all. So okay. So first of all, today's the dignitaries, just now I said, and then the principal of this college, Gopinath Garu, and all already available and existing resources for your career point of view, academic point of view, to excel your knowledge, to imbibe your knowledge, and then that you try to make use of it for your the future career. That is very, very important. And I also just enlightening you, and when I took the charge as a director in the campus, and senior students may be aware of it, so I was inducted the 8 new faculty members in this new campus. So with the highly difficult, with the approval of the university, but it was took for me for more than 45 days, continuously day by day, I visited the registrar and the vice chancellor sir for taking up the approval to take the recruitment. So with the great their support, so we completed the process, and now there are 8 new faces you are looking in the campus. So I thank for the university for giving me opportunity, and I request all the new faces to make use of your knowledge and your strength to this campus to excel the students and give you the better profession to the outside the campus. So this is only the humble request. And other thing is, so as I already told you that with a lot of expectations of you and your parents, so you maybe got it a seat in the JNTUA OTPRI campus in spite of your other kind of the expectations. And in generally when I addressed you, I told you that your expectations may be likely to admitted in the medicine stream, but because of various reasons you may be got it admitted and be the student of JNTUA OTPRI. You forget about what it happens, and then you started your new journey, and your only ultimate aim is you have to excel in pharmacy, because community is awaiting for your services to get the better the health society for the state and as well as the at large to the country. So that is why the pharmacy program is not the inferior for you, be remember. It is a very excellent program, and the only thing is you need to acquire the required knowledge. A lot of the platforms are available. In spite of that, the teachers, they are giving you a lot of
Thank you, sir, for giving the message to our junior students. After took as a charge of the director of JNT OTPRI, Professor J.V. Subbareddy. More is academically committing, the one by one is implementing. Because in the system, to bring a very harmonious, every role is important. For this, I don't want to give the today message, but you have to give the gratitude to the stage of the JNT OTPRI today. The strength of the almost all reaching to the 700 members. B Farm C 470 members, Farm D 198 members, 200 members, and M Farm C the 64 members. Almost reaching to the 700 members. The foundation laid by the previous Vice Chancellors, Lal Kishore sir, Registrar Hemachandra Reddy Garu, Director Professor Devanna. They started with PG programs. In the year 2013, they started the B Pharmacy with set and take. The next Vice Chancellors, MM Sarkar Garu, JNT, Registrar Professor Kishnay Garu, and Director KP Chandrasekhar. The next Vice Chancellor Professor Srinivas Kumar Garu
Will be called one on the game, and please occupy the stage.
Farm D, Throwball Girls, winners first year Swati and team.
Can we have the BG? Get ready.
Farm D shuttle boys, get ready. Shuttle boys, get ready. B Pharmacy second year.
Now I use Whisperflow. I just think out loud and it creates a perfect format on any app.
Next, shuttle girls B4.
Sorry, guys.
Shuttle boys, Farm D winners first year Kamal and Suman. Followed by runners second year Dhanraj and Sajid.
Winners Manoj and Bono, and runners Vardhan and Jagdish.
Next, shuttle girls. Shuttle boys, winners first year Kamal and Suman. Teja and Asma. Farm D shuttle girls, winners first year Rajita and Dharani. Next, Carom boys, be ready. Carom boys, first year. Shot put girls, be ready. Shot put runners Famdi, Munafan. Shot put winner first year Santosh.
B Pharmacy volleyball, get ready. First year.
India.
Next, B Pharmacy ball badminton. Be ready. Sachin, please come on there. On the ball badminton, winners first year Santosh and Mallikarjuna and team.
Cricket ball.
Be ready.
B Pharmacy tug of war ball.
Famdi, tug of war team.
B Pharmacy tug.
Be ready. Famdi, tug of war girls. Be ready. Famdi, tug of war girls. Winners first year Rajita and team.
Famdi, Kabaddi girls. Dharani and team, get ready. Second year state and team, get ready. B Pharmacy. Cricket girls, B Pharmacy, second year. Next, Kabaddi boys, B Pharmacy. Next, Coco boys, winner second year, Puneet and team. Get ready. Kabaddi will be lost. Coco Boys next.
Reform Mr. Fresher Ganesh.
Honorable Vice Chancellor and renowned Professor in Civil Engineering, Professor H. Sudarshan Rao sir, as Pharmaceutical Sciences in a multidisciplinary day with this great Professor of Civil Engineering, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, as our chief guest. We are profusely thankful from our heart and soul to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor H. Sudarshan Rao sir, to spark our brains with your words of wisdom. Thank you, sir. Next, we owe a lot of our beloved Director, Professor G. Subbareddy sir, for acumen of perception in program this Freshers Day on big note and to make it a day to adore. We who learn.
Thank you, Dr. Mai. Sir is awarded a PhD, doctorate degree recently. Give the big applause to him.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind.
Hi, good evening everyone. A very warm welcome to all of you to this exciting and energetic fresher culture event. And energy of our freshers as well as our seniors. So let's make some noise for everyone present here. Clear for performance today, dancing, singing more. So, get ready to be amazing performances.
Yeah.
ఓకే సెకండ్ అండి. చేసే మూడు ఉత్సాహం సర్వనాశనం అయిపోతాయి.
ఓయ్ మాస్టర్ ఇదే మ్యూజిక్ ఇంకో స్టెప్ పెంచు. లేచిపోవాలి.
उत्तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्ता त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु
చేసిన నా కళ్ళ ముందు నువ్వే నువ్వే అది ఇది అనలేనిది ఏదో ఏదో నా గుండెల్లోన పుట్టించావే.
అయ్యో నేనేం చేసా నీలో పొంగే ఆశ నీతో మాట్లాడిస్తోంది అరే ఇంకా